Okay, cut. Cut. Okay, so Abel, we just finished a little bit of test shooting here for an experimental horror film that we're doing here in the Philippines, starting around 2023. For right now, it's in development. It's going to be in development for a good year, and that type of thing. What's some more of your input and versus this film to a Filipino horror film?
Yeah, actually, the good thing about this in our project is you can express more on emotion. Even though it's a horror, you need to emphasize the real, the more intense in releasing the emotion of the character in a character in a scene. To make it more unrealistic, because it's more on experimentation. So we need to express our emotion, the way we connect to the audience is gives more impact to the people who watch the horror movie. Even though it's a horror, we need to do something more on different to make it change, to make a different style. It's a combination of a foreign mindset and a Filipino mindset, so it makes it more difficult, but it's more unique and gives more identity to the changes of it, the kind of film that we do. So more unique and new style, and though it goes like old school or more classic, but the idea is inside the story. So,
Gotcha. What do you think about us using the extreme gore that Filipinos aren't accustomed to?
actually, some of the filmmaker here in horror is for me, some of my the film that I watch is very common, and it's like what I said, it's more on screaming people, scaring people. But the good thing that in our project is you need to feel your character, you need to feel the storyline, and the producer and the director express the deepest side of their identity. So for me, it's good and gives more impact to the audience.
Okay, that's great. Thanks a bunch.
Give thanks.
Okay, so that's it for the Morbid Team Entertainment, our test shots for today with Abel, and he's assisting me on this film, and hopefully it's going to be many of the scripts that we have. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel and put a like on the videos.
Yes, sir.
All right, and come visit Abel sometime in Cavite and get some dreadlocks. He's an expert at these. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.
Peace out.